सर ने बताया कि थाउजेंड्स के करीब हमने ट्रायल किए, उसमें से सिलेक्ट करी है डिशेस। तो काफ़ी बहुत एफर्ट लगे हुए हैं इस खाने
clean and healthy. We've incorporated a lot of Anglo-Indian story Kalimpong cheese, which is very popular, originated here but now has become a mainstay new market in Calcutta.
So God already mentioned along with the item itself. So you get to know कि आप जो खा रहे हैं or how much calorie. If you ordered 5 dishes and the total calorie value you want to understand for your whole meal, you can easily find out and work it out. Through our culinary journey, through our food festivals, or whatever initiative we take, we always try to give something which is exclusive for the city. So in the same journey, ये जो रेस्टोरेंट हमने बनाया है, काफ़ी एक्सरसाइज और काफ़ी मेहनत डिटेलिंग के बाद ये रेस्टोरेंट एक डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस देने के लिए हमने एस्टेब्लिश किया है, रेडी किया है. वी टुक लिटिल लॉन्गर देन एक्सपेक्टेड. हम थोड़ा और जल्दी ओपन करने वाले थे, बट for the assurance of every quality and every area of the restaurant, we took little more time.
Then I will come back and talk about the biodiversity, because my inspiration basically was Mr. Jhunjhunwala from Calcutta, the big boss who envisaged this place कि ऐसा हो सकता है, and Sanjeev ji's hard work and effort here to put this together, because I could have never believed that in Siliguri we could come up with something like this. This is a truly international class restaurant, working in restaurants in Sydney, in New York, in London, part of restaurants across the globe. But this exactly is a truly international class restaurant. Yet it is built in this whole suburban Siliguri, taking inspiration from the local suburban areas, taking ingredients from the local biodiversity, talking about the local food, staying true to Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Modi's vocal for local, that story. This is the place which is 100% vocal for local.
Ever since we announced this project of Cinnamon Terrace, each one of us, we put in a lot of hard work. बहुत मेहनत करी है हमने, right from selection of beverages to selection of food, to doing the food trials, to selecting every individual, whether it's a chef working in the kitchen or whether it's a service personnel working in the restaurant. The selection has been very, very rigorous. We worked really, really hard to bring this up to Siliguri. we were very conscious right from the word go that we did not wanted to create a restaurant which is a usual restaurant, a usual fare which is available in the city elsewhere. जो कि आपको अगर खाना खाने जाना है, हमारे सिलीगुड़ी में बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं, वेदर इट इज इन होटल या फिर स्टैंड अलोन रेस्टोरेंट्स की बात करें तो बहुत ऑप्शंस हैं हमारे सिलीगुड़ी में। तो हमको कॉन्शियसली एक ऐसी जगह बनानी थी जो सिर्फ यही जगह हो, which is Cinnamon Terrace. Hence the food, like chef, we will give you more insights about the food later on. But just to give you an idea, आपको starters हमने इसीलिए pass around किए थे कि आपको पता चले कि concept क्या है खाने का. It's a progressive Indian restaurant.
स्वागत करता हूँ सिनेमन टेरेस कोटियाड बाय मैरियट सिलीगुड़ी। एज माय कलीग्स ने ऑलरेडी बताया हुआ है कि यहाँ की जो गैस्ट्रोनॉमिक जर्नी इन द टर्म्स ऑफ culinary जो इन्होंने एनहांसमेंट किया है, डीप डाइव किया है, क्यूरेटेड किया है, इट इज़ वेरी मॉडर्न इंडियन क्विजीन restaurant which has come up in the Siliguri, which I can vouch for it that none of the where in the entire city you will get this kind of food. First, if I talk about the beverage part, what we have been curated, what we have been crafted, my liquid chef have been crafted in this restaurant. We have taken a very deep dive in that. We have curated a cocktails. If I talk about one of the example, यदि मैं बात करूँ तो Gateway to Hills, the place we have been sitting down in Siliguri right now is a gateway to a hills to a northeast. So in the hills, what has been famous in this place? First, जैसे ये चाय का बागान बोला जाता है कि जैसे यहाँ पे कोई आता है इस जर्नी में पहले बोलते चाय, तो हमने चाय से भी कॉकटेल्स का क्यूरेशन किया है. If we talk about कि सबसे famous मतलब whatever the ingredients what we get in a green tea, kaffir lime leaves, which has been curated in our cocktails, which we have been put in one of the ingredient. Then cinnamon भी हमने use किया है, as we have named as cinnamon. Then we have used Indian spices as well. Then we have used a famous lime what we've been used what is in this region, Gondaraj lemon. Then if we talk about the cocktails and mocktails, also in the desert cocktails, जहाँ बहुत सारे रेस्टोरेंट इस पे ध्यान नहीं देता है कि डेजर्ट कॉकटेल्स भी होना चाहिए, बट यस डेजर्ट कॉकटेल्स भी हमने यहाँ से क्यूरेट करके बनाया हुआ है, जिसमें गोविंदो को राइस हमने यूज किया हुआ है, गुड़ यूज किया which is very local. As chefs have you always said that this restaurant we are more focused about go local and be vocal. So we have ingredient whatever we have been used in cocktails and mocktail is not syrupy based. Lot of restaurant used to have a syrupy base. बहुत सारे लोग में सब कुछ डालते, बट हमने जो भी ingredient यूज किया है हमने सब फ्रेश यूज किया है.